So me to make a French don't
can't. Oh, now don't judge you, be.
Au revoir, I mean au revoir.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so Kofi. Any questions for S3fa? Can I go logo? Questions for S3fa after listening to the song. Muti enyum ni wie no. Quick comment on it.
Okay, what I want to know is where the can say any remix.
Yes,
it was sort of like a mix.
A mix, as in I want to get it clear.
Oh,
feel free because we'll be on TV. Maybe part in the buy now. What I was telling big producer and say a remix of ne nyomna na say because a owner as a bia or basso. With or be or no the lyrics are yented. But lyrics we were all the yented. So is that a remix of Onone Diano? And now say we invite in say when you collaborate when you track with.
Once we wanted to do a collaboration, but the thing is that I had already done the song and sent it to him. What I say, and I already know Zopla so Noma. It's we can't take it. It's already a beautiful song. We change, you know. We just wanted to make it more like to young age. Once Zopla so by a check.
Yeah.
Gen Z can relate to it. A little bit of piano and here and there. You know. In time, friend, quote unquote mixing.
Okay. Lastly, my main fan base. Do you have a considerable number of fan base? I want to say, we my fan base. Almost, me shall we say in your estimation? Do you think? And how are you relating with your fan base? How are you bringing them on board? For instance, you catch Atawala when you say, "Oh, you S3fa." Do you have that?
Yeah, I think that I have people that love my music. I have people that are still trying to understand my type of music and still love it. And maybe I'm music industry I'm still growing as an artist. Maybe I do 1 point I draw aside the whole room.
I'm sure you are putting plans in place.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so quick one from Kinagologo. Agolo yenti osuka krana. Yeah.
My favorite song pa there. Me nyankane ni Miss Lolo remix.
Miss Lolo.
Pa. Na some kutwa. Now a man sisi anu hu ni se sisi anu vi me kutam no be 2 years 3 years ahead no obetimi akutam sa.
Mpatran. I think say gone are the days where in Banu before we used to talk a lot about support us now say encounter any be more now say we are all putting in the work, we are all trying to move in diverse ways into the money there juma I can't say you be big amobi
is there more support bia
yeah support but one say
from angle being
everywhere when it comes to helping with investing. Investment is very, very important, even not only to the female artists, to all the artists, because Ghana there, if you're talented, we are very talented. Investments, because now saying music now ain't only about talent. Sika count.
Sure. Anyway, I'm sure it came along with a dance.
Yes, please.
No, but before the dance, my menje clarity kakra free.
All right, so quick one. Wrap it up.
First of all, upieno bi boa menstrual because my rate say has.
Why now catch any?
Say fana me catch. My rate say has say obesha say abo. Because o jini kunu.
By force anade.
Say makama na say crash no abeka ho. I love the way you look. I love
thank you very much.
Everything about it. I noticed you.
Are you talking about a song?
So we'll get to the song. I noticed you after you became. I think Date Rush made your song Ichoke very popular. I don't know about you, but I think and that's how come I got to know your song and I got to know your physique. And after that, my wife became jealous. So get ready, she'll attack you down there. Then the other one So Yanko, the reason why I asked the question, in Ghana, someone did a song of an OG and the remix came out.
Yeah.
Chairman say and you know attaching instrumental as a sound lyrics in Kiebo. Junior Man or Koye remix. That's why I asked you. How, first of all, how easy was it for you to reach Meiway? How easy was it?
It was quite easy for somebody that was on tour and very busy. You know, he's a very busy person. So getting in touch with him, even getting into communication with him to get the song done. I won't mean say it's because Obianya is especially Obiawa Juma. I could do that level, no, but it was easy for me to get here.
So you sent him a message, or you with a call?
It was through a message. I texted him on Instagram first.
When Blue take you?
Oh, Darby. When I texted him, I was like, I think most of the times it's because of the approach that people use. Because when you go straight to the point, you know that okay, this is what you're coming for. But I was saying hi. Not to is always saying hi. Do you understand? So I just texted him. I was like, oh, please, my name is S3fa, musician from Ghana. I love your music, and I've done a song titled Vibrations. I want you to listen to it.
If I'll be a test, it says catchy, right?
Me no. Okay, my inti patron person men send them out netie. Inti say ya oda patron na ebenya verse was so when he listened to the song, I'll say, oh, a very nice song, because me enyum ni na we sending making sure say he was okay with the beat, with the vocals, everything.
And he was okay with the beat
because ye enyum ni na or ye verse later.
Okay, that's what I want to. And now there are legendary spiritual songs like Zoblazo here in Ghana. When are you going to touch something in Ghana? And if you are going to touch a Ghanaian oldie song, who will it be and which song would that be?
And please, I've touched Daddy Lumba with my song Sugar Melody Day.
No, but I know they will be free. You have a complete touch, no.
You have
a complete vibration. It is way, no.
Okay, and then me patcho very very soon. As long as I get the permission.
Why?
Oh, me love it Kojo and Chipan. That Lumba, so I love him a lot.
All right, so the song is already out. Streaming platforms, you know, you bet me a download it, right? All right. So what next after this?
I'm working on a body of work, more like a sort of like a project that is coming up into where from the project now.
Okay.
Made it out now. Right now we are just promoting Vibration.
Fantastic.
Yes,
now over now to you, no bet me a Maigakra.
Yeah, Pasha.
How you started it? Yes.
Okay, so
let's go.
Then I ran away and yeah, you just come from the back. Okay. So, it should away, got a grace for you. This kind thing you do me, make I confused, yeah. Wait, I go wait if you leave, I'll wait till the day you come. Love it in your arms. The way you do me, make Fanga go crazy. Body on my body, give me sweet vibrations. All of I need is continue heavy. Come and chop my honey, so one bag go make lonely. Oh, plaza, plaza, so plaza. You make a decolo, plaza, so plaza.
Okay, so S3fa, thank you. Yeah, that's the sell by. Thank you.
Patcho me ben job, but me around. I'm still doing interviews.
So enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Me got confused, yeah. Wait, I go wait if you leave, I'll wait till the day you come. Love it in your arms. The way you do me, make fire go crazy. Body on my body, give me sweet vibrations.